Boom! Hi, so much is happening. Today we're making sweet potato with marshmallow and then haunted mansion on top with prism powder, and we're gonna be using a blowtorch to melt the marshmallows.
Who are you, Seal?
I know. People are concerned. That's okay.
Stay calm, okay? Let's not lose our heads.
I have to be honest with you guys. I started prepping earlier because we needed to boil the sweet potatoes.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Now we need to like check to see if they're tender. Ooh, this one's death tender.
Try a little tenderness.
Classic. Okay. So we're gonna turn off the heat. Heat deactivated.
I just don't get why you're saying it that way.
Then I'm gonna drain the potatoes in the colander. Oh, okay. Water spilled everywhere.
Oh!
Ow, ow.
Oh, don't!
So we have our boiled sweet potatoes. I'm gonna try and just take the skin off. Ow!
Stop crying like a little girl.
This is cute. She's cute. Guys, we are gonna be using so many fun tools today. I mean, she's a real Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder.
Okay, so you have 2 potatoes, throw them in a bowl. Done. Kidding, you're not done. Then you're gonna add a tablespoon and a half of butter. Throw her in. Gorge.
Yes, queen, yes, yes, yes.
3 tablespoons of packed brown sugar. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
A little dash of cinnamon for the family.
Yes.
Around a tablespoon of OJ. That's what they say. A little bit of OJ.
You took it.
Little bit of OJ.
I just apologize to all the viewers, so it's fine.
Now we mash. Glasses on, obviously. Electric mixer, who is she?
You gotta feel it.
It's electric.
Woogie, woogie, woogie.
Hold on. If at first the blender isn't working, you just take a knife to her.
You know what I'm talking about?
If that doesn't work, just try the stab method.
Okay.
Okay. I feel like this is pretty good. It's as good as we're gonna get.
Okay.
Take your little casserole dish. This is what we're gonna use. You're gonna scoop her out and you're gonna put her in. Wow. Beautiful. Nobody knows what I'd be without you.
Turn this music down.
Ba, 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 ooh. All right, then you're gonna take your marshmallows and you're just gonna cover her. There's no rules when it comes to marshmallows. Tell me one rule that you've ever heard about a marshmallow. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna just throw her in the oven for like 10 minutes because I wanna blowtorch. Again with the honking.
I'm spitting angry.
Debbie, cool it.
I'm like a tornado of anger, swirling about.
I'm gonna put her in the oven for like 10 minutes because I want her to get like fluffy, but I wanna burn her with a blowtorch. I really do. All right, throw her in. Bye, have fun. Okay, because we're using Haunted Mansion, I felt like I should dress like kind of old school Victorian. Like the necklace is screaming. She's gonna like pop out of a haunted mansion and like kill your brother.
What?
I'm gonna pour it all out so we can really get a good look. Look at that, there's bats, there's ghosts, there's something that says RIP, are you kidding? Oh my God, for our blowtorch, safety is of the utmost importance.
That Hansel's so hot right now.
Today, smoking is gonna save lives.
I feel like we do it right now before we have too much time to think. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, yes! Oh, this is what I want for my birthday every year. Oh, it's on fire!
Oh, fire! Oh my goodness!
Oh, it's on fire!
Say bandit.
Oh, okay, little fire. Little fire.
How about 9?
Watch out for the little fires that happen. Those will get you. Little fires everywhere. Is that a show? Okay, this is where we're at. This is where we're at. Ready, set, go. Yup. I love sprinkles. Because like the sprinkles make it look great, and then the prism powder makes it look bomb.
Bomb, 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 bomb.
Little carnelian orange. Yup. Don't forget our amethyst purple. Guys. Hold on. I hope all of my neighbors see me right now.
Why?
Okay, we have our marshmallows shining in the absolute sunlight.
Let it shine, let it shine.
Our little RIP sign. Our toasty marshmallows. Oh my God, it looks like the most beautiful graveyard I've ever seen. Okay, I'm actually so excited to try this. I mean, I'm really trying to stay humble.
Be humble.
I really am.
Sit down.
Because I know how this looks, me clapping for myself. But guys, if I were to recommend somebody make any dish out of all my bake shows, #1 rec. This is incredible.
Well done!
Fancy Sprinkles, you've given me life through giving me death. That's his RIP, it was a play on words. You've given me the confidence to use a blowtorch in my very own kitchen. I'm just, this is how I feel. Come on. I'm calling my mom, hold on. Mom, wait, she's laughing. Mom, I'm recording for my bake show, say hi. Look at how it turned out, you're gonna die.
I love it. No.
Yes.
Amazing.
I figured out the blowtorch.
I am so proud of you.
Guys, you heard it here first. My mom's proud of me. Wow. Thanks, Mom. I'll call you later.
Bye.
I love you. Well, we got Mom's approval. I don't even know how I'm gonna top this. Like, what do I even do for the rest of the day? All right. Well, that's this week's episode. Love you guys. I'll see you next week. Okay, bye. Ow, my earring.